I'm NASA Kennedy's Nicole Delvesco taking you inside KSC. Practice makes perfect. Exploration Ground System and its contractor Jacob rehearsed lifting procedures of the Space Launch System core stage using a full-scale mock-up called Pathfinder inside the vehicle assembly building. To begin, workers attach a special cover called a spider to the top of the 212-foot-long Pathfinder. Then a crane was moved into position and attached to the cover. The Pathfinder was raised to the vertical position and lifted up to simulate stacking procedures. The rehearsals will help train workers on the procedures for offloading, moving, and stacking the core stage. Crews are also making sure all ground support equipment works properly as the center prepares for the arrival of the actual core stage for Artemis 1. Kennedy employees recently assembled the flight hardware for NASA's Orbital Syngas commodity Augmentation Reactor, or OSCAR, inside a laboratory at the center. OSCAR is an early career initiative project that studies technology to convert trash and human waste into useful gases such as methane, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. The technology would reduce the amount of space needed for waste storage within a spacecraft. A prototype has been developed and a team of Kennedy employees are in the process of constructing a new rig for suborbital flight testing. And KSC is recognizing National Disability Employment Awareness Month. It is a national campaign that raises awareness about disability employment issues and celebrates the many contributions of America's workers with disabilities. This year's theme, the right talent, right now. And remember, Spaceport Magazine digs deeper inside KSC.